In the main graph, we're viewing the speed signal of the reactor agitator, which tells us if the equipment is stopped, or on the contrary, if it is running. With this signal, we're going to calculate the percentage of time in the last 24 hours that the motor is stopped. To do this, we will navigate to the Tag Builder menu, once there, we'll start a new formula. The first formula will do the following. In the case that the velocity is less than 1, TrendMiner will return a 1, and if not, a 0. We then map the speed variable to the tag in the focus chart and name this new formula Downtime Detect. Once done, we save the formula and you will notice that it is now displayed on the screen with peaks of 1 every time the agitator is stopped. Next, let's calculate the average of the last 24 hours from this new variable to determine the average downtime. We will do this using an aggregation, where the variable or the tag is the new tag that we've built, the operator is the average, and we want to do it for the previous day, so we select backwards for 24 hours. We then save it, and we'll name this new variable Downtime Average Last 24 Hours. Finally, we see how our new aggregation is giving us a percentage. If we take a look at the last full day, the agitator was stopped for about 16% of the day. If instead of calculating the percentage of time that there has been a downtime in the last 24 hours, we want to calculate the total number of hours or minutes that there has been a downtime, we would only need to change the last aggregation we performed after making the first binary formula. We can start by navigating back to the home page of the Tag Builder and choosing to create a new aggregation. In this case, we select the binary variable to add the one that is either 0 or 1. And instead, the operator will be the integral that multiplies the value of the variable times the time. Since the value of the variable is 1, we just get the time. Next, we will select the units of the source tag from the following options of hours, minutes, or seconds. In this case, I will choose hours. The direction will be backwards over 24 hours to always calculate the total hours of downtime over the previous day. Then we can save it and give it a name, and I will call it hours downtime followed by the date. Now we see a new variable has been created with a very similar profile. The shape is the same as the downtime percentage, but the actual value is different since we are now showing the total number of hours there has been a downtime over the previous day. For example, in this case, we see that the motor was down for 3.8 hours.